Question number 4. Tammy is asking, what type of photos should we be taking to advertise our products? There are 3 types of pictures you are taking in your photo shoot. 1. Editorial pictures. 2. Product pictures. And 3. Lifestyle pictures. Those pictures have different goals. Editorial pictures are designed to create a specific identity in the minds of your target audience when they think of your brand and your product. Those are the most beautiful set pictures. Editorial pictures capture a narrative. Your model, the clothing she's wearing, the makeup and the environment have to present the essence of the brand, telling a cohesive story. Editorial pictures are used on the landing page of your website, in your marketing materials, and in advertising. I suggest to make at least 10 editorial pictures when you do a photo shoot. You have to script this photo shoot. You have to think about it in advance and script it so that every detail is thought of in advance. Product pictures are made on a mannequin or on a model, mostly against a white background in a studio. So those are cheaper to make. I suggest taking at least 3 pictures per product, front, back, and side. And if you have details on your product, you also take some close-up detail pictures. Product pictures for socks can be made on a sock dummy or on a model. When you make a picture, you just make a picture of a sock dummy or of feet of the model, not the full body pictures of the model. The third category, lifestyle pictures, are taken to create a bond between your brand and your audience so that your audience can see that real people are wearing your product and they can bond with those. In lifestyle shoots, I suggest to get friends from your target audience to be your lifestyle models in an environment that is considered natural for your brand. It can be city, nature, sea, sports environment, depending on what your brand is all about. So you need to think, what is my natural brand environment? And then get all your friends and their friends together who are your potential target group or who are already your clients, and make a lifestyle photo shoot with them. Again, you will need to script it because in this case, you are also, there is a second level of difficulty. You are working with models that are not professional, and you will need to give them first the whole script of what's going on there, and second, you will also need to give them guidance on how to behave on the shoot. So these lifestyle pictures come out very beautiful. In lifestyle shoots, group pictures perform better than pictures of a single person wearing your product, because group pictures create strong social proof. There is a group of people wearing Tammy McRae art socks, and they create a wish to belong to this group. So when people see a group of people wearing the socks, they want to be a part of this group. If you are on a budget and you cannot afford the editorial shooting, I suggest to combine editorial shooting with the lifestyle shooting. Your editorial and lifestyle is combined together. So you are taking all your friends and all your clients that are game and friends of friends. You're putting them together in an environment that reflects your brand's values, and you are making great lifestyle pictures because those are not professional models, but you use these lifestyle pictures of high quality as editorial pictures for your advertisement, for your marketing materials, and on the page. So, and also, if you are on a budget and you cannot afford a studio to make pictures of your product for product pictures, simply do those product pictures at home. For fashion, it's quite simple to have a backdrop, a dummy, and make pictures and then send it to your graphic artist to cut it out. And for socks, it is also quite simple. You simply purchase a light box, which is quite cost efficient, and you need a sock dummy. So you can do a product photo shoot of socks at home as well, using a light box, a sock dummy, and a camera or your mobile phone.